Despite the increase of fiat payment services that offer various practical tools and payment methods, adding an option of cryptocurrency settlements gives lots of advantages both for customers and sellers. In this video, we want to talk about why will you be using cryptocurrency as payment in 2019, current condition of market and its perspectives. Reason for using cryptocurrency this year. There are several universal digital currencies that can be used as private alternatives of banking accounts and cards almost for any operations. You can use them to fast and simply make payments while securing confidentiality and also save on fees. Almost no commissions. Not so long ago, the cash was ruling everywhere, and finance institutions were creating generous incentives for people decided to put their funds in their treasury. Today, while using any type of banking account, debit or credit cards, we are faced with various commissions and other necessary payments. Basically, you are just wasting your money and it's not bringing any benefits back, not to mention the earnings of interest on deposits. And banks are only getting more cunning about it. Let's list off existing commissions and fees. Using banking cards, operations on ATMs, trading, bank account, getting an additional receipt, overdraft, transfer and return of funds, international operations, notifications, balance inactivity, etc. International payments. Territorial boundaries doesn't mean anything when using cryptocurrency. They allow you to make instant and cost-effective transactions all around the world without much of waiting, additional fees and some kind of limitations. All you need is a device with internet connections, now even just a phone. So even the ones who don't have access to a banking branch have an alternative solution of sending, receiving, storing funds, making payments and doing a business. During a trip, using virtual currency further increases the level of security of payments and can serve as an emergency remote fund storage that you can access without identity confirmation, banking account, credit cards and even PC. Confidentiality. Banks, crediting institutions, retailers, service providers receive and store too much of personal and financial information about their clients, such as name, address, operation history, as well as all-out activities, including trading ones, who we contact, when and where, etc. So with traditional financial institutions and fiat money, we can no longer keep our confidentiality. The alternative are cryptocurrency payments that are limiting the amount of transaction data in simple numbers, also known as wallet addresses and IDs for confirming transaction. Operator processing a payment in virtual currency as a third party usually needs only a name, and in case of physical goods delivery, also an address. The rest of information will be private. E-commerce. Getting cryptocurrency online nowadays became as easy as it can get. Some of the websites of e-commerce have already added such payment method. Suppliers can use for using it WordPress plugins like My Crypto Checkout. Setting crypto payments is very simple and fast, and transaction fees are 60–70% lower compared to fiat payments. Virtual currency is more similar to cash in remote purchases, because during transferring you can get back your money only after directly contacting the seller. This drastically decreases possibility of fraud when a buyer had already bought the product and even damaged it and is asking for a refund. Mobility. Mobile payments are getting more and more popular. Using smartphone instead of credit card is very convenient. It can be achieved via using apps Android Pay and Samsung Pay, MasterCard Pay Pass and Visa Payway payment systems with technology of wireless data transfer of near-field communications, NFC and POS terminals. However, the same problems of confidentiality and security also arise in this method, which are in traditional online money transfers. It is due to the fact that all fiat mobile payment systems save information data of credit cards, including financial and other data of the owner. And besides the phone, all this data goes into the web with each settlement operation. Cryptocurrency is a more safe option of digital money, and due to its virtual decentralized nature, are ideally suited for mobile payments by default. Market growth. One of the most successful cryptocurrency payment gateways, BitPay, processes around 250,000 transactions every month, with early transaction volume reaching $1 billion. Coin Payments is already serving millions of clients from 200 countries and recently had partnered with BitTorrent, allowing their 100 million users an option of paying with Bitcoin and altcoins. CoinGate cooperates with 50,000 sellers and processed hundreds of thousands crypto payments, and Utrust became a partner of PayRex with its 10,000 European sellers. The integration and deepening the connection for cryptocurrency and fiat payment systems is still continuing. This market is expected to grow for 50% in 2 years. Commercial use. According to data of biddingforchairs.com, currently there are about 20 million people having cryptocurrency. Overall, most of people have heard about Bitcoin and many have plans on adding it to their portfolio. The study for alternative finances of Cambridge Center of last year showed that 40% customers wanted to be making payments in BTC. In countries with unstable fiat currency such as Turkey, Venezuela, Brazil, Australia and South Africa, there are a lot of cryptocurrency users. What can you buy with crypto? You can buy almost all you want today with cryptocurrency, like whatever housing property, type of transport, clothing, electronic devices, health and daily goods, pets, tools, travel services, or just any type of service in general. If talking about some specific purchases with crypto, you can buy, for example, a motorized unicycle from popular SBU company, Microsoft products through their store. Some musicians are selling their albums in bitcoins, or if you want pizza, you can make an order on Papa John's. What to expect from market? For the first half of 2019, Intercontinental Exchange and Nasdaq have planned on launching new Bitcoin futures, and in February, SEC should at last announce their verdict on proposals for Bitcoin ETF. These are most anticipated changes that can be a strong impulse for the growing of the market and breaking the unending bearish trend of 2018. It is very likely that many investors are now waiting the right moment for entering the market. That applies not only for the private ones but also to big institutionals as well, whom new safe platforms are being developed for. Today, political factors are also rather positively affect crypto market. If during previous years the actions of different governments were directed on stalling of its advancement, so now serious financial institutions have entered the market. If you want to make money with crypto trading, try Bitseven.com. Link is below. Subscribe to our channel and like our video.